Maayong adlaw na ata diri sa Casa Gorordo Museum para ipakita sa inyo kung unsa nga mga antique o mga karaang butang dinhi sa Casa Gorordo. Para sa more informations of more details, ihatag nako ni Harley para siya mo explain sa inyo o mo expand sa inyo kung unsa ang Casa Gorordo.
Okay, so Casa Gorordo Museum was initially the home of the first Filipino bishop of Cebu. And now it is restored and owned by the Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporation. This museum serves as a display of a typical Filipino home of the 19th century. And this museum also displays modern-day art exhibits. The house was built by Alejandro Reyes y Rosales, and among its residents was Juan Gorordo, the first native Filipino bishop of Cebu. And the house is a wood and stone type, a typical architectural type during the Spanish colonial period, and locally it was called Bahay na Bato. So now at this point let us see the interior of Casa Gorordo, and let us go upstairs.
Why are you?
So this is the stairs. It was made of Tindalo wood. And here, this is the master's bedroom. The original occupants of this room were the first Gorordo patriarch Isidro and his wife Telesfora Garces. And this is the living room. Important visitors were received here in the living room or sala. And this is the ladies' bedroom. Among women, socializing carried on until bedtime. And this is what we call kaida, literally meaning fallen. The kaida was the area where ladies would stop holding their long skirts after ascending the stairway. And there's also a chapel here. Family prayers were said in the chapel in the evenings. On special days, masses attended by family and acquaintances were also held here. And you have also here the suitor's corner. The place where young maidens received their suitors was customarily in a well-lit corner, na gyud og suga. Here we can see the entire space. We can see that this is truly antiques. And this is the guest room. This room features a 4-post bed with a canopy, an old aparador, an armario, and lavador with porcelain basin. They have also library. The collection of books in the library revealed something about the family's affluence. Most are written in Spanish, the lingua franca of Filipino intellectuals, until the Second World War. Okay?
Okay.
They have also here a piano. You can see here in the picture this is Juan Gorordo, the first native Filipino bishop of Cebu.